Welcome to Baliwood Villa, one of the finest tropical luxury villas in Penang, Canggu. So this beautiful villa is very close to Lima Beach and it's only a 3 minutes walk away. It's also surrounded by beautiful rice fields, and come with me inside and take a look. And as you can see, we have our beautiful swimming pool, which are surrounded by very good lighting and beautiful banana trees. And on the side, you can also do sunbathing in the cushions. Follow me inside. So welcome to the kitchen, which are one of my favorite parts in the house. It's very great with a wooden-based kitchen, and the stove is great for making dinner, lunch, breakfast, which you can eat here by the table. It's also feel very spacious, and it can be many people in here. And we also have the fridge here and one oven. And down here we have the living room, with very high ceiling, which make it feel very big, and it also lets in good lighting. And I love to spend time here with my friends, watching the TV, playing games, just having a good talk with them, to listen on music. It's just very nice, and it have a great view over the pool and the dining area. And then let's take a look outside. So upstairs we have this balcony, and it have a great view over the living room. And in here we have the massive master bedroom, which are very great, I think. And it's so nice to just wake up here, enjoy. You have the ocean view, and over here you can also relax for a bit, read a book, do something you like, and just take a chill. And over here, it's my most favorite part. It's a bit hidden with this beautiful wooden door, and it's a walk-in closet. And here we also have a big mirror, which you can watch your outfit after you dressed up in your wardrobe. And over here, we also have the bathroom, which also is hidden. It's also very massive. And I love the black designs with a wooden color shower, which matches all of the house very well. And also, as you can see, there is a big window in the shower, but don't worry, they will not see you, because we have this one, which you can pull down, and the glass is not see-through from the outside, but we can see out. Okay, so this leads us out to the balcony of the master bedroom. Here you can get a great view again of the swimming pool, of the garden. And I also love this hanging chair, which you can sit in and just enjoy your time, chill, relax, take a snack here and read a book, work a bit. And then we have the rooftop upstairs. So here we are at the rooftop, which is so incredible and very nice. I love to do my workout up here and some yoga. It's also very relaxing to chill in the pool and just watch the beautiful sunset from here. So this villa have 4 bedrooms. One is upstairs, which I showed you, and then we have 3 downstairs and 2 separate, which are outside. And those are the rooms I will show you now, and you can go there by passing through the living room. And as you can see, I have opened up the doors, which makes more space, and it's good for having great parties, and you can fit up to 100 to 50 persons in here. So let's follow outside. Here is the dining table, and you can see the swimming pool again. And here we have the first extended bedroom. So here is one of the extended bedrooms, and as you can see, it has the same design as the master bedroom upstairs. And in here we have the bathroom, This is a bit different from the bathroom in the master bedroom since it have a very nice bathtub with the skylighting. So even if this bedroom looks like the one I showed you before, you can see that the view here is totally different since you can see over the garden, the inner area. Personally, I enjoy it very much. And my favorite part about Greek property is that they managing everything, like the housekeeping, the villas, and the financial parts. So as an investor, you can just sit and wait for your profit. So this is one of my best investments in this beautiful villa. And something special for Greek property is that they have many beautiful villas with great and modern design, and the location is just amazing. And if you want to do the same thing as I did, you should start your investment journey at Greek property. So thank you for letting me show you my villa, and have a good time. Contact Greek Properties for more information and start your investment journey.